Today is the last day of the Sephora sale, and I have one final haul for you, starting with this little puffy tote bag. This was a gift with $75 purchase. Unfortunately, it is gone, but you can still get the lipstick tote from the Sephora merch shop. This has little lipstick pockets and lip liner pockets at the top here. Starting with the Sephora collection, I've already shown the Holy Sheet mask set. All Sephora collection is 30% off regardless of your tier. This one has 20 masks comes in a gold sequin bag. If you don't want to do this big set, they also have this smaller one that I also got. This one has 8 masks. Also from Sephora collection, I got the cleansing wipes and a travel eye makeup remover. My favorite Sephora Pro brush, number 64. It's the foundation brush. This one will just live in my travel bag. And a Sephora powder puff because I got 2 Huda Beauty setting powders. I got these 3 eyeshadow palettes. This one I actually got during the Friends and Family sale. It's the Mini Minx palette. I just love these duochrome shades, and it's so affordable. It's already like only $10 or $12, and then you get 30% off. So I got another shade. This is in the shade Lilac. Very pretty blues and purples. And then this larger one was already on sale for like something crazy, like $6. And then another 30% off. So this is the Color Shifter Strange Botanicals. And again, with a really pretty duochrome shade. Fenty Hair, I got the Mista Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. I tried this out in LA recently, and it just smells so good. It's a lot lighter and more floral than the Fenty fragrance. Crown Affair, I actually bought the dry shampoo by itself, and I didn't realize that they had this set available, which is the same price as just the dry shampoo alone. So I ended up returning that, and I got this set. This comes with the dry shampoo, you get the little brush, a scrunchie, and then a leave-in conditioner, and it's all the same price as the dry shampoo. I was on a Crown Affair kick because I ended up also getting the Slick Back Ritual. This has the finishing gel, this brush that people rave about, and then another scrunchie. And then people had such good things to say about the Crown Affair hair towel. I have very long hair, and this one is a lot lighter than a regular towel. As an elastic to keep it in place, and I'm just very excited to try it. It also comes with the leave-in conditioner and then the texturizing air dry mousse. And from Salt and Stone, I actually also have one more order pending. I ordered the Salt and Stone deodorant set, the mini deodorant set. I went ahead, and even though I'm still waiting for the deodorant set to arrive, I just went ahead and got the full size body wash. Here is the body wash. And I also got the matching Salt and Stone Black Rose and Oud hand cream to go with the body wash and the deodorant when it arrives. In the puffy tote, this is my favorite hair serum from Kerastase. This is the 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. I've gone through so many bottles of this. This just makes your hair feel so soft and healthy. And they finally came out with a travel size, so I had to pick this up. Even though I already got the Rare Beauty Lash and Brow Essential set with the brow gel and mascara, I went ahead and restocked the brow gel because this one will just stay in my travel bag, and this one I'll restock my everyday makeup bag. For makeup, I got the Danessa Myricks Color Fix in the shade Vamp. I got this because I was curious to try this out, and I like that the burgundy shade can be used on your lips, on your cheeks. I am planning to use this as an eyeliner. So it works out for me. I might end up picking up a few more shades during the Danessa Myricks Black Friday sale. Also from Danessa Myricks, I got another of the Color Fix Multi-Use Pigment Stick in the shade number 5. Cassiopeia and Astra. This is a really cool double-ended stick, and it's attached by a magnet, so you can separate both of these and just wear one, or you can keep them together. One is a metallic, and then the other one is a foil. You can wear one on its own. I don't know which one's which, but those are the 2 shades. So you can see this one's metallic, this one's foil. Ordered from the new Hung Van Gogh Beauty. I ordered the new Neutrals, I think it's called, eyeshadow palette. So if that works out, I really like all the other color stories. If I like the formula, I might end up getting another 1 or 2. I like that this palette has a mix of mattes and shimmers. And for Makeup by Mara, I finally got the Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil. I got 2 shades in the colors Travis and Rich Mauve. This is the shade Travis. This one is a little darker than the other one. And then this is Rich Mauve. Very pretty. It has a little brush on the other end that you can use to blend it out. That is everything that I got from the Sephora sale. But let me know what you guys got from the Sephora sale this year.